Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Smurfette from the Smurfs. So let's get started. To draw a cute Smurfette, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So let's come right here and we're going to draw a big oval. So nice and round and wide, and then we're just going to connect it. And then I'm going to come right next to it and draw another one right next to it, just stuck together. There. Okay, so now that my two ovals in, I'm going to come inside and draw a circle. So right about here, maybe towards the center a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle right in this space. And same thing over here. So also towards the center. A little bit more. And so now that I have my circles in, let's go ahead and we're going to spruce them up. So let's come right about here and we're going to draw another small circle for a highlight. And then we're going to go around it to draw another circle. And then this is where we're going to shade everything in. So then the color of her eyes will be about right here in this circle area. So same thing here, highlight right here and then go around it. So look at this eye, it's a little bit cleaner. I made a mess over there. Okay, so now that we have her eyes in, let's spruce them up even more and let's add some lashes about right here. So we're going to draw a long lash, thicken up the ends, and two more. So a smaller one here and here. So same thing over here, a long one, thicken up the ends, and two more short ones. There. And then let's see here. Then from there, let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw her nose. So I'm just going to go ahead right about here, just draw a small oval. And curve and connect right beneath her eyes. Then let's give her a big smile. So about right here, it's going to be a lopsided smile. So say about right here, underneath her eye, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve that kind of slants downwards. And then let's thicken it up. So it's come right about here. So like drawing, oops. You know, I need to bring this down a little bit more. So widen it up a little bit more and connect. And then cap it off. And let's see here, you can come in here towards the top if you like. Just draw another curve for her teeth. And then at the bottom, be another curve for her tongue. So like I made a mess right there. So I'll come in here real quick and wipe this out. Sorry about that. There. Okay, since I have my white out, I might as well come in here and try to clean this up for you. Okay, there, a little bit better, right? Then from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So we're gonna come out nice and wide. So let's say I'm gonna find the center of her eye, just come out a little bit wider, about right here. And same thing over here, nice and wide, so say about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So I'm going to find my center right underneath her mouth, let's say about right here. Give myself a point. From those 3 points, I know I'm just going to draw a curve to that. I'm just going to go down, nice and round, all the way, oops, not a good day. Everything's a mess today. Okay, so nice big curve, and then we're just going to do the same thing over here. You know, sometimes you just have one of those days, right? If you get too frustrated, just walk away and come back. But never give up. That's the point. So let's go up. So now that we have that, let's go up. We're going to bring it up to where her eye is. Just come in a little bit. And same thing here. Just bring it in a little bit. Okay, so nice and round. Then from there, we're going to draw a curve for her hair. So it's going to be lower on this side, and then it's going to slant right back up to here. So let's come right here. We're going to go right over her eye, then curve up and down. There. Now we can come in here, whatever space we have. Let's just go ahead and just draw a curve right here for a brow. And I think we might be able to see a part of this one. So I'll just go ahead and just draw a little curve right there. And then let's see here. And let's finish off her hair. So let's bring this out just a tiny bit. And then we're going to go up. So let's say about right here. We're going to just thicken it up a little bit. Just give it a little bit of a curve right here. And then we're going to go up nice and high and bring it all the way back to here. So let's curve up and down. Kind of reminds me of the Little Mermaid's hair. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back to this space and then we're going to draw the side of her hair. So we're just going to bring it down and this part right here, her hair. And then let's draw the hat, the very important Smurf hat. So we're going to come back into this space about right here and let's just go ahead and draw a curve and just tuck it in. So we're just going to see this side of the hat on this side right here, and then we're going to go up. So let's go up and we're going to kind of go in. Let's find our center. So go up. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point about right there. I'm going to come in a little bit and then out, and then just go ahead and make it nice and round at the top. So usually you see the Smurfs at an angle, a slight angle, but I'm trying to draw it straight forward today, so it makes it a little bit easier to draw. So that's why we're not getting that hook on the hat. So we're just going to make it kind of like a mushroom shape right here. There. And then in this space right here, very important, let's come back and we're just going to draw a curve with an indication of the part that hooks over right there. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's finish her hair a little bit later. Let's draw her body. So I'm going to come right in the center and about right here, just draw a curve for her neckline. And then we're just going to come about right here, not too wide, small little shoulders, draw a curve coming down. And then let's come right about here and we're just going to draw a curve. So this is her dress. Just draw a curve and then we're going to come down and flare it out. There. So let's keep going. Let's say about, keep going just a little bit more. Just say about right there. So now that I'm pretty even on both sides, I'm just going to go ahead. I just flare it out a little bit. And then we're going to round it off and wobble our way across. So I'm just going to put in 3 wobbles. 1, then come towards the center for a big one. And another one. And connect. There. And then for her legs, let's come over here. We're going to draw this one first. So we're going to come into this space, just imagining her hips, so her legs would come out about right here. And I'm just going to simplify this one and come down at an angle. And right here. So it's going to be a little bit thinner as we come down to the ankle. And then the shoes. So we're going to round it off. Let's draw a little oval shape first. Come in. It's a little bit sharper right here. And then we're going to go around. Much bigger for her Smurf shoes. And then we're going to go around right here. And on this side, let's give her a little heel. So I'm going to bring this in. Right here, and then this part is going to go across. There for her heel. And then let's see here. Then on this side, we're going to go the other way. So let's go about right here and here. And once again, we're just going to get thinner as we come to the ankle. About right there, and then let's go ahead. We're just going to go point it out. Round it off. So it's the same as this, but this is going all the way through. And then for this shoe, let's come right here and just go around it. And we're just going to point it, same thing. And connect. There. Okay, so now that we have the feet in, let's go ahead and draw her arms. So we're just going to have them to the side. And let's just bring it down. Armpit area. And we're just going to continue. And let's have our hands about right here. So we're going to end them about right there. So let's come about here. Just draw a thumb. And we're going to continue this down and then flare out a finger. And come right back in. And then in the back, you can tuck in another finger. So same thing over here. So go right here. Same area. Just dragging a point across. I know approximately how low to bring it. And we're just going to do the same thing. And bring out a finger. Back in, and then another little finger in the back. There. And then for some details on her dress, there's these like raindrop shapes. I'm just going to lightly, right in the center, draw a bigger one. And another one here. And here. And then smaller ones in between. There. And let's finish her hair. So I'm just going to bring this down and flare it out a little bit. And let's bring this down. So let's say about right here. Let's come down. Let's go around. And I'll just point it to about right here so I don't mess up, get into trouble with the hands. And then it's going to come down about right here. And then this side is just going to go up around. So let's see, it's going to come through about right here. There. Nice, beautiful, long blonde hair, right? And then from there, that is pretty much it, except I need to put a heart. So put a heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute Smurfette from the Smurfs. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.